Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday, 8:30. I've been in the office for the last couple of hours. I've been going through some stuff online to trying to find stuff to buy. I didn't find anything, but I'm running some scans, so I'm probably gonna find something soon. Besides that, I listed some stuff on eBay and you know went through some mails and dealt with whatever I had to deal with. Just the daily routine dealing with eBay and Amazon and just the regular business. So right now, basically, I have basically nothing to do with the computer. So I'm gonna start scanning the DVD pallet that I took down yesterday. So I'm gonna scan them. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they're all in good condition. But what I'm gonna do regarding listing them, I'm gonna just bulk list them like I did the last time with the CDs. I'm gonna list them really fast. The only thing that's gonna take me time is basically going through them. So hopefully it won't take me so long, but it'll take some time. So that's what I'm gonna do now. It was a pretty slow night. I think we sold like two things on eBay, one on Bonanza, and like 5 on Amazon, merchant fulfilled. Yeah, hopefully it will pick up this weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna go and scan some DVDs. So about quarter or third done. Went through all of those. This is the keepers. Some are I can lot as a series, like Lord of the Rings. I had a few of them. Matrix, and what else? Just random stuff that I can. If I find everything, I can create like lots. So I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4 more levels to go, and there's 6 of those bins in each one. So yeah, hopefully it will be worth it. Also, I have those CDs and DVDs. I think there are video games also. I haven't listed video games yet on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. I'm just CDs and DVDs. I'll see what. I mean, CDs and DVDs are way less space. They take way less space. So that's why I've been delaying with listing a few of the books, but I have them laying around here, so I might just list them anyways. So I'll be done with this probably. I don't know if today, but I'm gonna step on it today, and I'll see. So far, yeah, just one bin with CDs, with DVDs. Some of them are new and sealed, and even worth like $20-$30. So it's not so bad so far. So I'm gonna keep at it. So I went through just one more level. Everything over there. It's double stack, kinda. So this is for now what we got out of it, what I got out of it, and those are DVDs that I can probably bundle. So yeah, my back is killing me. It's really not so comfortable to go through the DVDs like that. My back is breaking. So I'm gonna rest for a little bit, probably grab a bite or something. Yeah, so those are pretty okay. We found some more CDs that are new and sealed, and some pretty rare CDs. I'm sorry, DVDs. So that's been going good. I'll get another few $100 out of it. So why not? Yeah, so I'm gonna take a break for a second. So I went through just a couple more, nothing too much. Pile is getting bigger, which is always good. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably head home now. I was working on my computer a little bit and scanned a few more, but I have some stuff to deal with. So yeah, I'm gonna probably head home, and hopefully we'll be back here tomorrow. So that's it for today. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. And thank you guys. See you on the next one.